Hey guys, Steve here, one more video for you, and this one is a quick one to show how I would generally set up my windows, which is pretty easy. I tend to find this layout is quite okay for me. I've used this since the beginning, since we got the software, and I've kind of got used to it, but I just wanted to show you a few other little additions to what what you can do with the windows and how I set my windows up. So for example, you can just click and drag and then you release these default view windows, and then you can sort of basically drag and drop, move them around, and basically set them up how you would want to set them up, so whatever feels comfortable for yourself. And then you can move things around. If it feels a little bit cluttered, you can stack windows in various different parts of the actual the default layout. So if I went up to Windows and I went to Workspaces, and if I just went back to defaults, as in reset to defaults, then it would go back to how the layouts, the windows are laid out in the original format. So what I tend to do is in the Windows option from the top drop down menu, you have a bunch of windows. Some of them are already in here, but one of them is not. For example, the 3D preview. So what I tend to do is I have this. I generally work in CAD view for all the drawing, moving things around, creating my actual drawing. If I'm working within Depence, how our workflow works is we use Vectorworks as well, and then import certain things via MVR, but that will come as a later video. But in this instance, if we were just inside of Depence, using Depence as the drawing application for something simple, I would always have this work in CAD view, but then have the 3D preview window open, so then I can actually move this to an external screen. In our studio, we have a bunch of screens, one large one and 4 smaller ones per station. And then what I would tend to do is hook into the system with either the main machines which we have, or a laptop if I'm using that, which I'm currently using right now. So we would hook the laptop into the system, generally have one big screen with a bunch of external windows, but mainly this 3D preview window would be on the large external screen. So I would just drag that over, as you can see. And then if we start to use and build our show file in our design in here, I'm just going to select these Mac Vipers, quickly hit Control and copy them. You can see in this preview window now things are actually coming on to the stage in real time. So I'm just going to select fiber washes. Yeah. And then we're going to bring them on like so. So you can see that's actually added them in. And then, yeah, we can view our whole show as we build it in real time. And you don't necessarily have to have it on an external monitor as well. You can actually just have this up in the corner. It just saves on mouse clicks, flipping between project view and CAD view and lots of different views if you've just got this open in real time, so you can actually just view it. And I just find that really useful. So yeah, I'll just see you on the next one, guys.